welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually doing a talk through video and I really hope you guys can hear me because I literally just filmed this entire video and realized that my microphone was not on the camera setting. So yeah, I'm a little hot right now that I have to do this whole unboxing over again. But I really hope you could hear me this time. I'm trying out my new microphone with my camera. So yeah, I hope you guys could hear me. I do apologize in advance if the audio sounds a little bit weird, but hopefully I got my settings pretty good, so hopefully we don't have that issue. But yeah, in this video I'm going to be unboxing this diamond painting that I received from Everydayedeals. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know I've been talking about how I'm in the process of getting my nail room together. I just moved into this house and I finally have a nail room. I was literally doing nails in my kitchen in my apartment, so I'm really happy that I have a nail room now. So I'm actually in the process of getting that together. My husband actually is doing the flooring this weekend and we painted the walls and everything. I just pretty much have to decorate after that. That's really all that's left. And I know you're probably like, I didn't know you were married. I don't see your ring. Well, yeah, it's crazy because I literally just got married like last week and my ring is actually too big. So I'm actually waiting to get that resized. So yeah. But yep, I just recently got married, so yep. Anyways, I'm gonna be unboxing this diamond painting. And I did decide to go with a butterfly painting. You guys know how much I love butterflies. So yeah, I'm gonna try to like show you guys the painting. I know the frame is probably not gonna show the entire painting, but I'm kind of just gonna like unravel it and like show you as I go along. But the one that I picked is like super huge. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys like little by little. So this is the end of the wing. This is actually a 5-piece diamond painting. So it's definitely going to take me a while to do this. But yeah, I'm super excited to see what it will look like when it's done. So yeah, this is the end of the wing. And as you can see, as you get to the middle of the painting, it's like a giant butterfly, which is so pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, let me move this out of the way. But yeah, as you can see, it's like a giant butterfly. And I tried to choose a painting that had colors similar to my nail room. So it's going to match my nail room, as you can see. And then it ends with a little wing on the end. So yeah, basically this is like a DIY painting. You pretty much go by this little color chart here on the end, which I'll show you. There's like a little color chart here and you basically match the color to the number and you apply the stones that are that color to the number basically. So like this one says 1 and they're like this burgundy color, and I believe that might be the color number. I'm not really sure, but basically you just match the color to the number, to the letter I mean. I guess it's a letter or a number. But yeah, you just match them up. Here you go. As you can see it a little bit better now. I'm not sure, my light was a little bit bright, sorry about that. But yeah, this is definitely going to take me quite a while. In this video I'm just doing like the unboxing to show you guys, and then once I finish it I'm going to show you the finished look. But yeah, this is actually what it's supposed to look like when you finish it. As you could see, isn't that so pretty? And the whole thing is going to be like diamonds, and then when you're done with it you can put it in a frame like this. Obviously you can choose a frame that you like. I would probably pick a better one than that because that one's pretty basic, but you get the point. So yeah, And you also do get this little packet with the painting, and it has like all of these different color stones. Like this one literally comes with so much stones. Like I didn't even realize how many colors were actually in this painting, but there is a lot. Like here's some pink ones and some blue ones. Then we have some white and like different shades of purple. And there's even some black stones in this painting, which I could kind of see that already. But I mainly see like purple and blue, but I guess there is a little bit of hints of pink in here. Now that I'm looking at it, I kind of do see it on the butterfly. But yeah, there's like tons of different shades of purple. So yeah, you basically just like match the color to wherever it is on this canvas thing here. And then it does come with these little trays. I'll open it up and show you guys. It comes with like these little trays, and the trays have like grooves inside of them. So the grooves is where the beads are gonna go, so that when you use your pen to pick them up, they're like facing the right way, so you just pick them up. And if you pick up like a few of the same color at the same time, you can get it done faster. That's what it says on their website. And I believe this wax might be to like put it on the end of this little like pen here, I think, to help you pick them up. But I'm not really sure because I don't see any directions, but they do have some on their website. But yeah, they have like tons and tons of like different diamond paintings on their website. I'm just gonna show you guys some just so you could see, like they're so cool. Like they literally have everything. If I can show you without the light in the way. But yeah, they have like these like little fairy painting. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully my camera is not out of focus. But yeah, look, they have an elephant here. And like these are all like diamonds, like they'll be all like in diamond paintings. So yeah, it's really cool. That like made no sense what I just said, but you get me. You know, I'm a little nervous, but I'm trying to get through this, you know. I don't really do talk through videos, so bear with me. But yeah, look at this rose. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. I tried to pick one that would match my nail room, and also one that I know I would hang up in my house. I didn't want to just choose some random thing because I thought it was cute. I was trying to like, you know, match a room in my house, which is my nail room. So yeah, when you're buying these, make sure that you do that, because I know you can probably see things that are really cute, but make sure it's something you would want to frame, because you don't want to spend all this time, you know, putting the diamond painting together and then you don't hang it up or whatever. But yeah, they have cute ones like little cartoon characters. I even seen like some Spider-Man ones and some Avenger ones. So if you have like kids or anything, it's really cute. You can do one of those and put it in their room or whatever. They even have like cat ones if you're like a cat lover. I used to have like so many cats when I was younger. I love cats, but I don't even have them anymore. Not that that really matters, but you know. Oh, and they also have like, oh, here goes Bambi right here. Well, it looks like Bambi. Oh yeah, that is Bambi. Like I said, they have cartoon characters. There's literally like so many to choose from. And they even have some deals on here, like certain paintings you can buy 2 get 1 free, or buy 1 get 1 free. I'll make sure I leave the links in the description box to their website and the one that I have here today. Mine is actually a 5D painting, and like of course I had to choose like the biggest one out of all of them, but I don't know, I thought it would be like a really nice unique piece. So eventually I'll get it done. I guess I'll do it like little by little when I have like free time or whatever. But yeah, the ones I just showed you guys are the buy 1 get 1 free, and then they have some that are for like $3.99. Like these, there's more butterfly ones. There goes Pikachu right there. This little waterfall. And they even have ones with like sayings on it, or like one like this with the cross and it said, "With God all things are possible." And it's just like really cute stuff. You can like do so many things with this. Oh, this one's really cute with the little unicorn and the girl. Yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. And they even had this really cute one with a tiger on it. And I was considering to get this one, but then I was like, I don't really know if I want to hang that in my nail room. I did decide to go with the butterflies because I figured it would be like a little bit more girly. Plus, I really love butterflies. You guys know that. Like, I literally got this butterfly ring from Julia, and I'm always doing like butterfly nails, as you could see. So yeah, I just figured butterflies would be like the best choice. But look at this one here. Isn't that so cute? Imagine that like with all diamonds on it. That would be so pretty. So yeah, this is definitely going to be like a fun DIY project. I really can't wait to show you guys what the finished look looks like when I hang it up in my nail room and frame it and everything. It's going to be so nice. I can't wait. So yeah, and you also do get a second little tray like this. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but you do get 2 of these with your order. And they're really not that expensive. They're pretty cheap. And like I said, they have ones for like $4.99 and $3.99. So this is kind of like a little fun craft that you would do like when you're bored or whatever. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. Like when I'm bored or I have free time, I'm just gonna like do this, and then eventually it will get done. You know, sometimes you need to do things to get your mind off of certain things. So yeah, this is definitely a good way to do that, especially because most of the time, like, I'm always in my phone if I'm bored or whatever. I don't know, I just feel like I need something else to do other than be in my phone when I'm bored, because, you know, with social media and everything, it can be like overwhelming. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do this quick little unboxing and show you guys my diamond painting. And of course, I'll be showing you guys what it looks like when it's all finished and everything like that. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys that. And I probably keep repeating myself. I'm sorry about that. But like I said, I don't really do talk through videos. I'm a little bit nervous, but hopefully I'll get used to it after a while. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at staypolish91, because I usually post about my upcoming like nail tutorials and stuff like that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.